Here we are, Monday morning, the 13th of October. So just start the car and back out again. All normal. Haven't touched the throttle at this stage, just eased out of the shed and still haven't touched the throttle. Let's just see how it goes. Still haven't touched the throttle, so I don't know what that was about. You can't see my foot obviously, but it's nowhere near the throttle. Again, this is not unusual. These strange fluctuations are, well, not becoming normal actually. Even when it's hot, it seems to go into fast idle and then have a think what it's doing for an unusual amount of time. Let's see how we go now. It might be a bit warmed up. And settled down by about now.